Daisy's Big Goal, a short moral story. Daisy was a small, shy duckling who lived near a peaceful lake. While other ducklings played all day, Daisy had a dream. She wanted to fly as high as the eagles. The others laughed. "You're just a duck. Ducks don't fly that high." But Daisy didn't listen. Every morning, she flapped her wings, jumped from rocks, and practiced gliding over the water. She fell many times, got wet and tired, but she never gave up. One day, a strong wind swept through the valley. Daisy saw an eagle struggling in the storm, its wing hurt. Without thinking, Daisy flew toward it. She flapped harder than ever before, dodging wind and rain. With all her strength, she guided the eagle down to safety. The eagle looked at her in awe. "You may be small," he said, "but you flew with the heart of a giant." From that day on, the other ducklings stopped laughing. Daisy had not only flown high, she had flown bravely. Moral: no dream is too big when you believe in yourself and never give up. Determination and courage make the impossible possible. Thank you for watching.